In this video, I'm gonna teach you 3 ways on how to type the H2O in Google Docs here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first things first, you need to bring up the Google Chrome, okay? Once you have opened the Google Chrome, you need to proceed here at the top left corner. You can see their file, edit, view, insert format tools. And in order to type for the H2O in the first way, all you need to do is you need to type for H first. Once you've typed it, you need to navigate to the top left corner. And here you need to find for an option which is called the view. Once you find it, you would be able to see this show equation toolbar. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you'd be able to find new equation. Click on it. And then please find for math operations. So click on here and please select for this XA. Once you've selected, please use your forward arrow key, this one, in your physical keyboard, not in on-screen keyboard, because I'm just showing you what key you're going to press on. The forward key, okay? Press that, and then it will be placed here at the bottom. Type 2, okay? And press again the forward arrow key, and then type 40, okay? So in this way, let me just delete that one. In this way, you'd be able to type H2O here in your Google Docs, okay? Another way that you can do is that you can simply type for H2O here at the Google Docs. So please type for H2O, and then you need to select for the number 2 here. Once you've selected it, please proceed to the format. Click on that one. Once you've clicked on it, you need to find for an option which is the subscript. So by that, please proceed to text first and then go with subscript, which is this X2. Click on that. In that way, you'd be able to type X2O here in your Google Docs. Okay? Before we proceed to the third way, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. Okay? So another way, or the third way, in order to type for H2O is that you can use your shortcut key. So by that, type H2, then O again, letter O, and then highlight this number 2, select it, and then please press the control and comma key together. This one. Press control and comma key together. In that way, you'd be able to type it. So let's try. Okay, let's type it. Control, then comma key together. In that way, you'd be able to type H2O here at the Google Docs. Okay. So those are the 3 ways on how to type H2O here in your Google Docs. If you think those steps would help you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.